Okay, everybody, this is a snack. Oh, hi. That's our light bulb. I forgot. Santa's face. Santa's eyeball. Open.
Oh. Stop.
Oh, yeah. This hand is I'm talking. See, this is me. Oh, this is her police badge she got from me. Oh, and this is Teddy. Hi, everybody! Hi. And that's Teddy's belly button, and that's Teddy. Oh, that's Sandra's butt.
Wait for that.
That's Sandra's bubbly water that I want. Sandra, can I please have some bubbly water?
Okay.
Oh, and that's the cheese thing. Everyone knows that you should be a table, and that's our table. Isn't it beautiful, our table? Isn't it? Oh, I forgot our light was the reflection. I forgot. We need to turn the lights off, don't we? Yeah, we do. This is the light switch that we turn the light on and off. We can turn them down.
Don't you think we have that in Sweden?
And that. And we can turn them off. Oh, and this is our big space picture. It's too big for the camera. Oh, there we go. This is a pear. This is apple. That's banana. Open your mouth. That is Santa's valve. Okay, people.